Alright, let's get real. What would you do if all your daily essentials vanished? No toilet paper, no toothpaste, no soap, even electricity or grocery stores. Sounds wild, right? It'd be a real test of our survival instincts. But don't worry, panic won't help us here. Our ancestors faced these challenges head-on, and they not only survived, but thrived. Let's explore some clever ways humans survived before modern conveniences, and what we can do today if it happens again. Alright, picture this. You're in the bathroom, nature calls, and bam, no toilet paper. Don't panic, we've got this. We're going back in time, back to basics. Think about our Roman ancestors for a second. They used sponges on sticks. Yeah, you heard that right. Not the most glamorous solution, but hey, it worked. And across the globe, leaves have always been a popular option. Just make sure you can identify what you're grabbing. We want to avoid any unexpected rashes from poison ivy. Now, if you're looking for a more modern solution for today's world, bidets are a game changer. They might seem fancy, but trust me, they're efficient and way better for the environment than endless rolls of toilet paper. And if you're feeling crafty, reusable cloth options are another sustainable alternative. Remember, improvisation is key in survival situations. We adapt, we overcome, we conquer. Give them a try and see for yourself. Alright, imagine this. You're covered in dirt after a long day of, well, surviving. Maybe you've been hiking through the wilderness, setting up camp, or just exploring the great outdoors, and there's no soap in sight. Not a single bar or bottle. Don't worry, we're going back to our roots literally. For centuries, people relied on the power of nature to get clean. Long before the invention of commercial soap, our ancestors used what was available in their environment. Ash, clay, and herbs weren't just found in nature, they were nature's soap. These natural elements were the go-to cleaning agents for many ancient civilizations. Ash, especially wood ash, is a natural alkali, meaning it can help break down dirt and grease. When mixed with water, it creates a basic solution that can effectively clean surfaces and even your skin. Clay, with its absorbent properties, acts like a magnet for impurities, drawing them out of the skin. Different types of clay, like bentonite or kaolin, have been used for centuries in skincare routines. And herbs, well, they add a touch of fragrance and have antibacterial properties. Herbs like rosemary, thyme, and lavender not only smell great but also help to cleanse and protect the skin. But here's the really cool part. You can actually DIY your own soap at home with basic oils and lye. The process involves a bit of chemistry, but it's a fantastic way to ensure you know exactly what's in your soap. It's a bit of a process, but incredibly rewarding. Making your own soap allows you to customize it with your favorite scents and ingredients, making it a truly personal product. Remember, survival is all about resourcefulness, and what's more resourceful than creating your own cleaning supplies? Embrace your inner alchemist and turn everyday natural items into powerful cleaning agents. It's not just about staying clean, it's about connecting with nature and understanding the resources around you. Okay, this one's a biggie: no electricity for a month. Imagine waking up one morning and realizing that the power is out, not just for a few hours, but for an entire month. It's a scenario that might seem straight out of a dystopian novel, but it's a reality we need to be prepared for. No lights, no phone chargers, no internet. Sounds daunting, right? The modern conveniences we rely on daily suddenly vanish, leaving us in the dark, quite literally. But before you start to panic, take a deep breath. But hold on, don't hit the panic button just yet. This is an opportunity to step back and rethink how we live our lives. It's a chance to slow down and appreciate the simpler things. Remember, humans lived without electricity for centuries and they did just fine. They thrived, built civilizations, and created art and culture. We can take a page from their book and adapt to this temporary change. Think of it as an adventure, a chance to reconnect with simpler times. First things first, light. Without electricity, our homes can become quite dark, especially at night. Candles will be your new best friends, casting a warm, comforting glow. Stock up on them, and don't forget matches or a lighter. They can create a cozy atmosphere that electric lights just can't replicate. And if you really want to get fancy, solar-powered lights are a great investment. They harness the power of the sun during the day and provide light at night. Now let's talk cooking. Remember campfires? Those crackling flames aren't just for roasting marshmallows, they can cook up a feast. From soups to grilled veggies, the possibilities are endless. Get ready to embrace your inner chef and experiment with different cooking techniques. And for communication, well, it's time to ditch the texts and emails and rediscover the lost art of letter writing. Imagine the look on your friend's face when they receive a handwritten letter from you. It's a personal touch that digital communication often lacks. This blackout might just bring us closer together. Without the distractions of screens and gadgets, we can spend quality time with our loved ones, share stories, play games, and truly connect. So, embrace the darkness, light up those candles, and make the most of this unique experience. Who knows, you might even find that you enjoy this unplugged lifestyle more than you expected. Alright, this scenario might sound like a scene from a movie, but let's face it, it's a possibility. Imagine walking into your local grocery store only to find the shelves completely bare. It's a daunting thought, isn't it? But don't worry, there's a silver lining. What if grocery stores shut down? It might seem far-fetched, but recent events have shown us that it's not entirely impossible. Where would we get our food? How would we sustain ourselves and our families? These are questions worth pondering. Don't worry, we're not going full-on Hunger Games here. The key is preparedness. Being prepared doesn't mean hoarding, it means being smart and resourceful. Food storage is our first line of defense. Think canned goods, dried beans and rice, foods that can last for ages. These items are not just for emergencies, they can be part of your everyday meals. Stocking up on these staples ensures that you have a safety net. They are versatile and can be used in a variety of dishes. These staples will be your lifeline in a pinch, but let's not stop there. Remember that garden you've always wanted? Now's the perfect time to get those hands dirty. Gardening is not just a hobby, it's a life skill. Remember that garden you've always wanted? Now's the perfect time to get those hands dirty. Home gardening is not only therapeutic, but a sustainable way to feed yourself and your family. Home gardening is not only therapeutic, but a sustainable way to feed yourself and your family. Tomatoes, lettuce, carrots, the possibilities are endless. Imagine the satisfaction of harvesting your own produce. And don't forget about preserving food. Canning, pickling, and drying. These age-old techniques might seem intimidating, but they're easier than you think. Plus, there's something incredibly satisfying about enjoying the fruits and vegetables of your labor all year round. Drying herbs, canning fruits, and pickling vegetables can extend the life of your harvest. These methods not only preserve the food, but also enhance its flavors. Plus, there's something incredibly satisfying about enjoying the fruits and vegetables of your labor all year round. Imagine opening a jar of homemade tomato sauce in the middle of winter, knowing that it came from your own garden. It's a rewarding experience that connects you to your food in a meaningful way. So there you have it, proof that humans and you can handle anything with a little creativity. We've journeyed back in time, explored ancient wisdom, and realized that we have the power to thrive even without modern conveniences. Which of these scenarios would be the toughest for you? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more what-if survival ideas. See you next time.